This is an update for Stefan. While we still have a ways to go on filling in gaps and pieces that were just too damaged to use, I want to show you that we have it mostly assembled. And probably your favorite part, it lights up again.
That's blinding on this.
Well, it is a pretty light, or bright light, but works very well. Backside.
It's like a little sun.
Restoration's coming along fairly well. Still will take time, but as you know, we are trying to also get all the convention stuff ready. But whenever there is time, we shall work on this as well. The other one isn't quite ready for video yet, but I thought you would like to see this update. And wow, those are bright lights. Okay.